Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at the OYT Gel Memory Foam Mattress. Now, in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this mattress and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice when you get your mattress out of the box is just how soft this quilted mattress cover is. It's so nice and soft and comfortable. But one thing that's amazing about this is you can keep it super clean. And what I mean by that is it actually has a zipper line across the entire mattress where you can unzip this cover and pull it off and put it in the wash. Now, this mattress is made of multiple types of foam. First, you have that gel memory foam, and that's gonna allow your body to kind of sink into this mattress just a little bit. The mattress will conform to your body, and you'll get that really excellent level of comfort. But because it does have that gel infusion, it'll also keep you nice and cool. Next, you have that higher density level of support foam, and your body will really appreciate getting that support through the night as you're sleeping from that higher density foam. I really think this OYT mattress has done a fantastic job of finding the fine line between a very comfortable mattress while still being a supportive mattress. Another fantastic feature about this mattress is that the foam is actually designed to absorb movement. That means if your partner tosses and turns in the night, you're actually less likely to feel it because of that absorption than a traditional mattress. Overall, guys, this mattress has some amazing features like being able to clean it often, and the levels of comfort are incredible. And that's why I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.